magic, war, secrets, and a love that could shatter everything. Hey everyone, welcome back to Book Summary and Review, your favorite stop for deep dives into the most powerful stories ever written. And today, we're talking about one of the most anticipated fantasy books of the year, Onyx Storm by Rebecca Yarros. The third book in the Empyrean series takes us deeper into war, deeper into heartbreak, and deeper into the storm that's been brewing since Violet entered Basgith War College. So far, but before we dive into the storm, let's take a quick breath and remember where we left off. In Fourth Wing, we met Violet Sorrengail, a girl forced to join the Deadly Rider Quadrant. Weak in body, but unmatched in strategy, Violet defied every expectation and found herself bonded to not one, but two dragons. She also fell in love with the mysterious and brooding Seyden Riosin, a powerful second-year cadet. But things turned deadly in Iron Flame, where betrayals shook her world, secrets were exposed, and Violet had to make impossible choices. And now, Onyx Storm answers the question we've all been dying to know. What happens when trust is broken and the fate of the world rests in your hands? Section 2. Overview of Onyx Storm. No major spoilers. Onyx Storm is an emotional, heart-racing continuation that pulls no punches. This book is darker, heavier, and more intense than anything before. The war is real. The conflict with the Venin is no longer hidden. Now, it's full-scale war. The Empyrean are outnumbered, outpowered, and slowly losing hope. Violet's power is growing. Her bond with her dragons is stronger than ever. But more power means more danger and more responsibility. Can she keep her humanity intact, or will her magic consume her? Love, loyalty, and lies. Violet and Seyden's relationship is at a breaking point. Can love survive secrets and war, or will the storm destroy everything? Every chapter of Onyx Storm feels like walking a tightrope between hope and devastation. Section 3. Themes of the book: power, trauma, and trust. Rebecca Yarros doesn't just write fantasy, she writes feeling. Power and responsibility. With Violet's growing strength comes immense moral weight. Can she use her magic for good, or will it turn her into what she fears? Trauma and healing. Every character in this book is broken in some way, but the beauty of the story lies in how they choose to rise, to heal, to keep fighting. Love and trust. Seyden and Violet's love is tested like never before. This isn't a fairy tale romance, it's raw, real, and complicated. This book reminds us, sometimes, the hardest battle isn't on the battlefield. It's the one inside you. Section 4. Dragons, action, and world building. And yes, let's talk about the dragons. We get more dragon interaction, more aerial battles, and deeper insight into dragon lore. Each dragon isn't just a beast. They are wise, fierce, and emotionally connected to their riders. The action scenes in Onyx Storm are some of the best in the series. From sky-fire clashes to magical duels, it's like watching a blockbuster movie in your mind. The world of Navarre expands. We see new territories, meet new allies and enemies, and feel the full scope of the war. Now let's talk heart to heart. This book had me screaming, crying, gasping, and highlighting lines like crazy. It's not just a fantasy book. It's a ride through the most intense human emotions. Violet grows so much in this book. She's no longer just trying to survive. She's leading, she's fighting, and she's questioning everything she once believed. Seyden, still the dark prince of our hearts. But he's flawed, tormented, and trying to protect Violet in his own way, even if it hurts her. This is not a comfortable read. It's painful, beautiful, and unforgettable. Section 6. What you love about this book? Powerful emotional arcs, complex romance, epic dragon scenes, High stakes war, growth, betrayal, and resilience. If you loved Fourth Wing and Iron Flame, Onyx Storm is the emotional payoff you've been waiting for. So, have you read Onyx Storm yet? What did you think of Violet and Xaden's journey? No spoilers in the comments, but I want to know, what would you do if the fate of the world rested in your hands? If you enjoyed this summary, give it a like, subscribe to Book Summary and Review for more incredible book journeys, and share this with your fellow fantasy lovers. Until next time. Keep reading, keep dreaming, and never stop believing in dragons.